Oh, that key is just too distracting, huh? Keep going. Where are you going now? Oh, around the corner? Okay, let's see. Mama? Is that what you're saying? Mama? Oh, yes, that's exciting. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. There's the window. Where are you going? Hello? Oh, the grate. Yes. That's always exciting. She's still on her way. Yes, I was talking about you. I was talking about you. You're not trying to come get me, are you? Good. Where to now? Oh, good idea. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, this is the best one, huh? You can slap it, it makes noise. Oh, there's cords there. Will she get there?